Hello Pythonistas. Now in this HackerRank series we can see how to solve arithmetic operators in HackerRank. So this is the module which I am going to load. Yeah, so it has been loaded. The task is the provided code stub has to read two integers from A and B. So I'm just resetting the page so that we can fresh start this. So the provided code stub reads two integers from the standard input A and B. Add code to print the three lines where the first line contains the sum of two numbers, second line contains the difference of two numbers, which is first minus second, and third line contains the product of two numbers. Yeah, it is very simple. We know how to find sum, product, and the difference of two numbers. Yeah, so they have already given A is equal to int input, B is equal to int input. So the first line should print sum of two numbers, right? So I will just write A plus B, and the second line should contain product of two numbers, which is nothing but first minus second. So A minus B. Then the third line should print the product of two numbers, which is A into B. Yeah, so these are the symbols for all these three arithmetic operators, and I guess that's it for the game today. Yeah, let me run and show you. Can you see test case sample has been shown correct? 3, 2 and the expected output and the output which we have got. All of them are correct. Now I will click on submit code, and that's it. We can see in the next video. Bye bye.